Automation is shaping the future of spaces. Cephlon brings that future to you. With Cephlon, ordinary spaces become truly smart living environments. Meet Pen Module, a smart device with 5 10-ampere channels, including a dedicated fan channel, allowing you to control multiple home appliances remotely. Let's walk through the installation process. Turn off the MCB. Remove the switchboard. Disconnect the live wire and connect it to the common slot on the Pen module, labeled as COM on load side. Next, take the appliance load wire 1 and connect it to the load section labeled as L1. Repeat this step for the remaining appliance load wires, connecting wire 2 to L2, wire 3 to L3, wire 4 to L4, and wire 5 to L5. Remove the fan regulator. You can now use the space for a plug, blank switches, or extra switches. In this example, we're adding blank switches. Now, let's move to the switch section. Connect a wire from switch 1 labeled as S1 to switch 1. Then, connect S2 to switch 2, S3 to switch 3, S4 to switch 4, and S5 to switch 5. Add a common wire to the switch common slot, labeled as COM, and connect it to the common terminal of the switch panel. Finally, connect the Cephlon 12-volt power supply to the Pen module. Reattach the switchboard to the wall. Turn the MCB back on. Check if all switches function normally. For pairing instructions and app features, tap the eye icon above to watch our tutorial.